Okay, in this tutorial we will learn that how we can move the axis within the MATLAB GUI or graphical user interface. First of all, we need to make a guide. So we will write guide here in the command window and press enter. Here you can see that it is written create a new GUI. Click on blank GUI default and press OK. Now GUI is in front of us. Okay, now we will create a heading. Take a static text and you can write move the axis. Okay, now here we will change the foreground color. We will okay, like font size must be 20 and weight must be bold. So this is our move the axis GUI. Now we will take a push button. Okay, now we will right click on it, go to view callbacks and click on callback. It will create a callback function. So here mover underscore axis and we will save it. Now this leads to the function push button one callback. It is the callback function. That is, callback function simply means that when the button is clicked, all the commands under this function will be executed. Okay, now we have written a small code, that is this one, control C, and we will paste it here. What this will do, axis is a built-in command of the MATLAB. Position is a parameter of this function. Then in these square brackets there are 4 float numbers. 0.4 is length and 0.4 is width. That is how much big your axis must be. Then on 0.1, and 0.1 is actually the related with position. That is, if position is like on x-axis it is 0.1 and on y-axis it is also 0.1. So when you will change it, the position of the axis will be changed. Then we will apply a for loop for counter is equal to 1 colon 1 comma colon 6. So pause of 0.7. Pause of 0.7 mean 0.7 second delay. Then set means set. Okay, now one more thing, that all the function and all the numerical these float values are stored inside this word exer. That is, exer is the variable. Then what will happen, we will set this exer variable position and 0.1 multiply with counter, 0.1 multiply with counter. So one thing more, that 0.4 and 0.4 will remain same as it is related with the size of the axis. Now what is this 0.1 multiply with counter means? Because counter is a variable in the for loop and it will go from 1 to 6. 1 colon 1 colon 6. So 1 colon 1 colon 6 means 1 colon 1 colon 6 means that it will start from 1 and ends at 6. Okay, so and this one's the middle is the actually the step size. That is the difference between the values. That is, first it will 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5 and 6, like this. Then there is a delay and set exer position. Then 0.1, that is x-axis position with counter. It will be multiplied with the counter, and as counter will increase on each iteration, then y value is also increased, and then we will see the or we can change the position of the axis. So okay, let run it. Okay, then we will run it, and when we will press the push button, we will see that we have axis moving. That is, we are able to move the axis. Okay, now you can again see it, that you can move it. Hopefully you got the concept regarding the movement of the axis within the MATLAB GUI. So thanks for watching.